Hi, I'm Jim Garnand, President of NARPRO. NARPRO is an association of locally owned, independent auto repair shops. We strive to deliver trustworthy and competent auto repair to our clients, as well as provide service and compassion to our community.
NARPRO is a group of local auto repair shop owners that work together to make a difference.
I believe in giving back, so when I see it happening, I want to get involved and do more, and hopefully that inspires others to do more.
I'm excited about that air.
Everybody should go in the first quarter of the year and say, give me a vehicle inspection. It's not expensive.
Right.
And they'll tell you where you're at.
Tell me what not expensive is.
$19.95 for a complete vehicle inspection. This is a quick display, shows how much harder an engine has to work and or an air conditioner, because you have filters inside the car too. So this is a good filter. You can see how it's flowing. You can feel the air.
Feels good? Uh-oh, what happens with changing out?
There's a dirty filter.
How old would, that's dramatic.
That's 12 months.
Okay.
Okay, which is when they recommend you replacing it.
But now the Arizona legislature, they passed a bill last year that would offer legal immunity to someone who broke a window to save a pet or child locked in a hot car.
Yeah, breaking windows is not something we do normally. Normally we're fixing cars. There you go. Got it. And that's why you don't want to break the one right by the kid. You want to break a window far away.
Water can do a lot of damage, and cars now have a lot of electrical components on it, and if water gets into those things, it causes a lot of problems. Gets in the engine, it causes a lot of problems, so you want to be mindful of that. Obviously, you don't want to drive through any deep water. You could do a lot of damage to the vehicle, but also you could get a fine for doing it, so you definitely don't want to do that.
Mom, you get a car, and you get a car, and you get a car. And I can tell you that Megan, S&S Tires has a car for you. Tiffany, Community Tire, and Integrity Outsourcing has a van for you. Angelica, Community Tire has a car for you as well.
You're going to get the same thing every time you come to an NARPRO shop. Great service, great warranty, amazing people, great atmosphere to bring your car to, and that's why we represent NARPRO, and we hope that you come into one of our shops. Today we're giving away some great prizes. We have 4 8-inch fire tablets that we're giving away, and other great prizes, so we want you to sign up and get a free opportunity to come see one of our local shops.
Good luck.
Hi, I'm Jim with High Tech Car Care. Today we're going to talk about malfunction indicator lights.
Hi, I'm Dave Martin from Martin's Auto Repair, representing NARPRO today.
Good morning, my name is Glenn Hayward. I'm owner of Good Works Auto Repair, and I represent NARPRO.
Hi, I'm Howard Fleischman with Community Tire Pros and Auto Repair.
I am Brad Slagle with S&S Tire representing NARPRO.